Okay, by looping through the lines of the file, you can read the whole file line by line, and you will get the same result that you also see. Now, let's talk about how to close files. It is a good practice to always close the file when you are done with it. The close method in Python programming language is used to close the open file. A closed file cannot be read or written anymore. Any operation which requires that the file be opened will raise a value error after the file has been closed. Calling the close method more than once is allowed also. Python automatically closes a file when the reference object of a file is reassigned to another file. Now, let's close the demo.txt file when you are finished with it.